Hello students, welcome in RPS math classes. Students, today I am going to teach for class 9 topic lines and angles. Student, at first you have to understand definition of the angle. An angle is formed with two rays at same initial point. It is called an angle. In other way, students, if two rays meet at a point, this is called an angle. Now students, types of angles. First, acute angle. An angle whose measurement is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, that is called an acute angle. Such as example, 45 degree, angle of 45 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. It is the example of the acute angles. Now students, second, right angles. Right angle, an angle whose measurement equal to 90 degree, that is called an right angle. Right angle, such as right angle, right angle, right angle, 90 degree. Third students, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, an angle whose measurement is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that is called obtuse angle. Such as example, 120 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree, 150 degree. It is the example of obtuse angle. Next students, a straight angle. An angle whose measurement is equal to 180 degree, that is called a straight angle. A straight angle, such as a straight angle. A straight angle students, 180 degree. Now students, reflex angle. Reflex angle, an angle whose measurement is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, that is called reflex angle. As an example students, as an example, this type of the angles is reflex angle. Reflex angle, reflex. Reflex angle. Now students, complete angle. An angle whose measurement is 360 degree, that is called complete angle. Such as example, it is 360 degree, 360 degree. It is the example of the complete angle. Now students, complementary angles. If the sum of two angles formed 90 degree, that is called complementary angle. Again students, if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, that is called complementary angle. Such as angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree. It means angle A is complementary of angle B and angle B is complementary of angle A. As other example, 30 degree equal to 90 degree. It means 30 degree is the complementary of 60 degree and 60 degree is the complementary of 30 degree. Now students, supplementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, that is called supplementary angle. Again students, if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, that is called supplementary angle. Such as example, angle X plus angle by equal to 180 degree. So students, angle X is supplementary of angle by, and angle by is supplementary of angle X, because here angle X plus angle by is equal to 180 degree. And other example students, 120 degree plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. Here 120 is the supplementary of 60 degree and 60 degree is the supplementary of 120 degree. Now students, you have to solve related exercise such as exercise 7a. Exercise 7a. Students, today I had taught lines and angles. Maximum topic of this chapter I had taught. So students, I am suggesting to you, you have to solve exercise 7a and you have to remember all the definition of the angles. Next video I will solve all your difficult problems. So students, suggesting to you, subscribe my videos and share the other students. Thank you students.